As we said, we can use many programs for the visual lab. For example, this program, I'm going to use it to form one of the gases, preparation of carbon dioxide. Now you're going to read the experiment from here. It's written there. If you would like to form carbon dioxide, the main idea is the chemical reaction between carbonate and acid. Carbon dioxide gas will release from this one. And once you get carbon dioxide gas, you're going to make some experiment in this gas, testing the color of the gas, testing the action of the gas in the flame, the nature of the gas, which we have the pH of this gas, acidic or basic, the action of the gas in the line water. 3 different experiments are going to make it, like after collecting the gas. Now go to your experiment. Now you are inside your science lab. In this virtual lab, you will only just see the step which will take place. Specific bottle is needed, this one. I'm going to add the marble chips in this one. And then I'm going to arrange the tubes to collect the carbon dioxide gas, which will be collected by air displacement, downward delivery by this way. And the final step, just adding the acid. Once you add the acid, effervescence takes place and the carbon dioxide gas will be collected in this bottle. Now you have the carbon dioxide gas, you can complete your experiment. Some virtual classes like this. We're going to make step-by-step experiment. For example, I'm going to make titration between acid and the base. Here it is. Here is the experiment which we're going to make. It's a virtual lab. What do you need exact to make this titration? I need a conical flask. I need a pipette. This one will be 25 ml pipette, the normal one. I need a burette. We're going to decide the equipment. I'm just going to put it here. This one is the burette which I need. About the chemicals which is required, or which are required here, I'm going to take the solutions. What will you do? I'm going to make titration between strong acid. Let's take 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Also, we need a base. We took here 1 molar sulfuric acid. I will take 1 molar sodium hydroxide. For the titration process, you are sure that you need an indicator. Find which is suitable indicator, and I'm going to take methyl orange, for example. Yes, I'm going to take this one. I have it already here. And I'm going to start. What do you need? I'm going to make titration of the acid against the base. I'm going to fill my burette with the acid. This one is the acid. Now he's going to ask me, what do you need exact? I'll tell him, would you please put 50 ml of the acid in the burette. Now I have the 50 ml of the acid at the burette. What do you need else? I need to take 25 ml of sodium hydroxide in a conical flask. I will take it with the pipette, 25. I'll take it from here. It's already there. I'm going to put it in the conical flask. The same 25. So we have this one, 25 of sodium hydroxide. I can name it with sodium hydroxide at least, just to know it. Here it is. This one is sodium hydroxide. I'm going to make sure that the acid is already here is enough. I'm going to push till 0. Now you have this one filled with the acid, this one sodium hydroxide. You just need to add indicator, the sodium hydroxide. The indicator of sodium hydroxide, as you know, will it change to be yellow in color. Now I'm going to carry out titration between this acid and that sodium hydroxide, just right here, and start your titration process. Now the computer is going to ask you, you're going to make titration between this one and that one. We're going to say yes and add drop by drop till the end point. We're going to change from yellow to orange, as you know. And this one will be the end point for this experiment. Because you're going to add till the first change of the color. Once the color change, this one gives you the end point. You're going to simple calculation to find the concentration of any one of the solution that you have. Those are two classes of virtual labs and how to use the equipment here and here. Now we have many types of virtual lab, not only this. And all of them will support you. And as I told you, even if we can make the experiment real life for you, see it during the class. Thanks much.